I got this question of, can a company conduct their own environmental audits? Yes, they can. You can do your environmental audits as long as it is not the initial environmental audit. If you have been in business for some time and you did your environmental impact assessment, and then once you started operating, you did an initial environmental audit, and it was done by an external auditor. The person who did the environmental audit initial, the first one, was an external person, not somebody from your company. You did that. Then you can do your self-audits thereafter. But the person who is doing the audit inside the company should be licensed, because they are the ones who are going to sign out that license and attach their practicing licenses also. So yes, most organizations, big institutes, have their own environmental persons, and these people are the ones who conduct environmental audits for these institutions and companies. So yes, you can do your own environmental audits. They are annual, they are done every year. If you have somebody, make sure they have their practicing licenses in order. If you do not have one who is internal, then I am here. And I keep saying, because this is something that I really am encouraging my clients to take seriously. If right now we sign a deal where I am doing an environmental audit for you, I'm not just going to do the audit, give you the report, and take you through the report. I am actually going to work with you the whole year. So if you hire me as your environmental auditor today, I will work with you from now, when we start the job, to next year a time like now. That means we shall be coming in to check how far we are doing. If it is the environmental management plan that we make it and work together with you. I will be there with your team as they practice. I'll be there to push them. I'll be there to implement with them, to close the gaps that we find after the audits. So that is the offer I am offering right now when it comes to environmental audit. In short, once you hire me for environmental audit, I become your internal environmental person for the next 1 year. So if you are a company and you have your internal person, yes, they can. If you don't have, then hire me so that I can be your internal person for the next 1 year. Yes.